What if humans could merge with machines, becoming more than just biological beings? It sounds like science fiction, but this idea called transhumanism is a rapidly advancing field. Technologies like brain-computer interfaces, artificial limbs, and even implantable chips are already here, and we're closer than ever to integrating human minds and bodies with advanced machines. But what would this mean for the future of humanity? Let's start with the possibilities. By merging with machines, humans could overcome physical limitations. Imagine having the strength of a robotic limb or the ability to see in the dark through artificial eyes. We could enhance our memory, think faster, and even access the internet directly from our brains. Health-wise, diseases, disabilities, and aging could become problems of the past. Nanobots could monitor our bodies from the inside, repairing damaged cells or organs before they even cause symptoms. Essentially, merging with machines could make us physically and mentally superior to the humans we are today. One of the most exciting ideas is the possibility of mind uploading, transferring our consciousness to a digital platform. If this became a reality, death as we know it could be avoided. Our minds could exist indefinitely in a virtual world, living out experiences in a way we've never thought possible. It would redefine what it means to be human. However, with these advancements come deep ethical and philosophical questions. If we begin to replace parts of our body or even our brain with technology, at what point do we stop being human? What does it mean to have a soul or consciousness if your mind is part biological and part machine? If we could upload our minds to a digital space, would the uploaded you still be the real you, or just a copy of your memories and thoughts? There are also risks involved. Imagine if something went wrong during an enhancement procedure, or if a mind upload failed. What happens to your consciousness in that scenario? And what about security? If your brain is connected to the internet, could it be hacked? Could someone control your thoughts, access your private memories, or even erase parts of your personality? Social inequalities could also be magnified. If only the wealthy have access to these enhancements, we could see the rise of a superhuman elite, while the rest of society is left behind. The gap between those who can afford to merge with machines and those who cannot might create a new kind of inequality, one where the enhanced humans have incredible advantages in intelligence, strength, and lifespan. It could lead to a division between normal humans and enhanced beings, potentially causing societal conflict. Moreover, if we overcome death and live indefinitely through machines, how does that change the way we experience life? The concept of life's meaning is often tied to its finite nature. Would immortality, or a vastly extended lifespan, make life feel less valuable or less urgent? Without the fear of death, would we still be motivated to achieve goals, create art, or form deep human connections? On the other hand, many believe that merging with machines could be the next step in human evolution. Just as we evolved from simpler organisms into complex beings, this could be our next leap forward. We could become a hybrid species, blending the best of biology and technology to explore new frontiers, not just on Earth, but in space. Imagine traveling to distant planets with enhanced bodies that can withstand extreme environments. The possibilities are endless. In the end, the question isn't just whether we can merge with machines, but whether we should. How do we ensure that these advancements benefit all of humanity, rather than just a select few? And how do we maintain our humanity in a world where the line between man and machine becomes increasingly blurred? Merging with machines could redefine what it means to be human, offering incredible possibilities, but also significant challenges. The future is closer than we think, and the choices we make now will shape the next chapter of human evolution. So what do you think? Should humans merge with machines, or should we keep our humanity intact? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.